Hey guys, really quick video today. I'm going to show you what benefits you get from a service called Netlify with a static site. So using the previous website as a template, we're going to go ahead and push the changes that we made in the last video to our GitHub repo. So I'm going to just go down and select the My Awesome Site repo, and here you can see all the changes we made to the config, all the layout files, and the parts collection, the changes we made to about and to index. So I'm going to do adjustments to site, which is a very descriptive message for the commit. So here we go. So I push that. So we know GitHub is all up to date. So all you have to do is create a login for Netlify, and then from there you can attach your GitHub account and then host websites on here for free. Not only that, but they'll also deploy from here. So if you set it to a specific branch, you can deploy from here, and then there's other cool features. You can tie domains in, you can add plugins, there's auditing, there's a bunch of cool different tools. So I'm going to connect with my GitHub here, and it sees me, and I'm going to search for My Awesome Site. There it is. It's a private repo. So unless you have the professional plan on GitHub, you can only host on their GitHub's pages hosting. You can only host public repositories. With Netlify, you can actually host private ones. So that's another cool benefit. So here's the owner is me or my team. The branch to deploy from is main. So if you wanted to set this to like a production branch or some other branch name, you could change the branch name here. And that way, only when you merge into or commit to that specific branch will it rebuild and host to the web. So here's our basic settings. Base directory is the root directory by default. Here's our build command. It detected that we're doing a Jekyll site, so it correctly identified the build command, and then the site directory also is correctly identified to _site. I'm going to click deploy, and this can take a few minutes. So we can see the progress here if we'd like. Okay, and it looks like we're all done. Everything looks green, so that is a good sign. Let's go back to our deploys, or we'll go back to the main site, and it looks like we have a link here, so let's click the link, and sure enough, here is what we built in the last video. The parts in the list. We got our nav bar here. Let's see if about works. It does, but it's empty. So yeah, that was just a real quick getting started video of using Netlify to deploy sites. You can use it with Jekyll, you can use it with Gatsby, you can use it with Next.js, you can use it with static HTML, just a plain HTML site. This is a great option if you're making an app that's hosted on GitHub and you want like a landing page for the app that details what it is. It's a great option for small businesses that don't require e-commerce. So I hope you learned something. There's probably I probably got one more Jekyll video in me, so keep an eye out for that, and I'll see you in the next one.